Can y'all believe I need a new blender? I'll talk about it later. Alright y'all, so I know I said I wasn't going to show y'all like raw stuff for a minute, but y'all, their home decor is killing it. Alright y'all, so here's what it should look like. Hey y'all, good morning. And here's what it looks like if you're coming in from this way.
So it's game time now.
What is going on? So y'all, I'm about to be Betty Crocker up in this kitchen, okay? I'm about to make my dad and my husband a pineapple upside down cake. And as you guys can see, I'm going to use this Duncan Hines box cake mix. I'm going to also use some pineapple juice, some pineapple slices. This is the butter that I'm going to be using, brown sugar, and then here's my cherries, y'all. And this is the pan that I'm going to use, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up this cake mix. I'm going to follow the instructions on the back. Only thing is, instead of using water, I'm going to use pineapple juice because I want the pineapple flavor to be really like potent in this recipe, okay? And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this cake, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to record the entire thing only because my battery is going dead. I'm so sorry, y'all. I did not charge this battery, but I will come back on to show y'all what the cake looks like once I'm done. And I'm sure y'all know how to make a pineapple upside down cake. Do y'all not? So listen, if y'all don't, then this is the first cake that I'm going to make, and then I have to make a second one for my dad. So I guess I'll come back on and show you guys the second time around, but I just want to show y'all what I'm doing in the moment, okay? All right, so let me get to making this cake, okay? All right, y'all, so whenever y'all are making a pineapple upside down cake, this is the most important step. And I say that because you want to make sure that your butter and your brown sugar is layered evenly in the pan, okay? Because when you flip it, this is what's going to be on top. All right, so you want to make sure it's evenly because you want to make sure the top of the cake is covered in the butter and brown sugar. So this to me is the most important part. Now I'm going to come back on and show you guys what it looks like once I layer the sliced pineapples and the cherries, okay? And I've already drained my juice from the pineapples. And now I'm going to add the cherries right in the center, and I'll come back on because I like to fill the center with the cherries, so I normally split them in half. All right, y'all, so here's what it should look like. You want to make sure you fill the holes with the cherries, okay? Because again, when you flip it, you want it to look really pretty. And normally I like to even out my pineapples, but I had an extra pineapple, so I just stuck it in there, y'all. Like, what the hell? So yeah, it's still gonna look really nice. So yeah, now we're gonna mix up the cake mix using the pineapple juice. Here y'all go. That's the cake. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. You want to make sure everything is covered evenly. Okay, so when you flip it, it's nice and pretty. So I'll show you guys what it looks like once I flip it, okay? All right, y'all, so my cake is out of the oven. Baby girl, it smells so good. And so of course I'm not gonna flip it right now, but I just like to take this spatula, as you can see, and just press around the edges like so, just to separate the edges from the pan, just like this. And I like to do this while it's hot. I'm going to let it sit and set before I flip it. Alright y'all, so I am done with the cake. Finally, I need to bake one more. So I'm gonna do that, but here's what the cake looks like, you guys. It turned out so nice and so pretty. And I think I flipped it too soon because I was just so anxious to see what it was going to look like, but it's good. It's still good. Alright y'all, that's the cake. Alright y'all, so I know I said I wasn't going to show y'all like raw stuff for a minute, but y'all, their home decor is killing it. Do y'all see that? Look at this. That is so freaking cute. And I can't even, like, I have my phone, so I can't even sit my phone down to show y'all. But it's actually storage. That is so, look at that color. And look at those chairs. Oh my God, y'all, so dope. Look at this. Y'all, look at that. Look at the stool. But this, y'all, I love that. And I want to redo my beauty room, but I don't know what I want to do to it yet. Look at the stools. Look at the round table. This round table. Look at this, y'all. So cute. Ross is killing it. Look at this. And look at that, y'all. Oh, so cute. Oh, let me show you this. Y'all, look at this. Oh my God, I love it. So freaking cute. For like my beauty room, because I don't need much in there. You see it? Oh. Look at that. So cute. These tables down here. Look at this one, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Y'all. They are killing it. Alright y'all, so I saw this. I was like, oh my God, I'm going to get it. So these are faux books. And then I found this little metallic man, which is so cute. But I'm definitely going to get those faux books. And look at it, y'all. It's black and silver. Y'all know, y'all already know that's my theme. It's going to go in my living room. And I don't know if I want to stack them up like this so the silver can show. Or like have them down like this, something like this, with the little man on top like that. Let's see, so something like this, but we'll see once I get home how I want to do it. But it's so cute, y'all. So the big book, this one right here, is $8.99. The small one is $7.99, and then this little thing is $7.99. So cute. And look, y'all, this is actually storage. Did I mention that? I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I'm just excited. I'm so excited. So y'all, if my house was black and gold, I swear I would get these pictures. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And there's two of them, so you can stack them side by side. How gorgeous. Let me put them side by side so y'all can see. Hold on. I don't think my camera's doing it any justice, but this is what it'll look like on the wall. Stacked side by side. That is so cute. Also, y'all, look, they have the drop earring dupes in here. Y'all see those? Right there. And they only want $7.99. Super duper cute. I already have the small ones, but look, so cute. So check y'all Ross out if y'all want these earrings and you don't want to order them from Amazon. Alright y'all, I'm back in the house. How well can you guys see? Should I turn this light on? Oops. Oh, I forgot. Let's see. Hold on. Is that better? Tell me, y'all. Hopefully that's better. But look, so the idea that I had for my little man right there kind of went away when I got here, because I tried to put it over there but it didn't look right stacked on the books, because over here on this stand I have this vase, well, these two vases here and these two lamps, and I needed something like with that was a little taller. So I was like, okay, let me just keep the candle here with my little flower on top, And then I did stack the books here. So the books looks really, hold on, let me move this. So I like the books stacked over here like this, and I wanted the silver to show. I think that looks really nice. Let me step back. I think it's nice. Hold on, y'all. All right, there it is. I had to turn the light on for you guys to see, but that's what it looks like. And you can't really tell that the books, that the lining of the books are silver until you get up on it. But I think it looks really, really nice there. Let me fix my pillow. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Oh, that's still not right. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me step back a little more. But I like it. I think it's really, really nice. And then y'all, over here, I put my little man on top of my Bible. And I think that looks really, really good. Okay, and then I just put the face over here with this toppery right there. So yeah, what do y'all think? Do y'all think that looks nice? Let me step back so y'all can see. And I just had to step back so you guys can see the table. What do you think? Is that nice? Let me know what y'all think down below. Or should I move this back to the Bible and put that over here? Y'all let me know down below how y'all would do it. Let me come over here. And this is how it looks from this angle. Never mind my rug, y'all need to vacuum, but this is what it looks like from this angle. If you're walking in the front door. All right, should I zoom in? Hold on. All right, so that looks like that. And here's what it looks like if you're coming in from this way. So I think it's really, really cute. And then y'all, we found another bookshelf that we're gonna put right here from Amazon, and it's really, really nice. I can't wait to show y'all. It is so nice. So we're gonna replace this bookshelf really, really soon. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. I think it looks nice. If y'all think it looks too cluttered on the table, let me know. But I think it looks nice. So y'all, I'm about the plug-ins. I've been wanting to do like plug-ins until Bath and Body Works have their candle sale, but I just don't know. Like, I haven't picked up a plug-in from I haven't used plug-ins in so long. I don't even know what the tea is, y'all. I have to look at some videos real quick. But I do like this scent right here by Febreze, the Cozy Campfire. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna look at some candles while I'm in here. Cause I think I saw, was it Tina Marie in a few videos back talk about some Walmart candles. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's do that. I wanted, remember I told you I wanted some plug-ins? This kind of smells good, y'all. That's a great value, pumpkin pecan waffle. I wear pumpkin waffles.
We'll try when we get to that.
Can y'all believe I need a new blender? I'll talk about it later.
Game time now.
Hey y'all, good morning. It's early, not early, it's 8:19, so to us that's not early. But as y'all can see, we just left out of Walmart. Now y'all, this blender, this is the third blender, and I think that I don't know, like maybe I need to stop using the blender like every single day, or maybe the blender only lasts for 1 year is what I'm gathering, because the blender that I have at the house, Dennis got for me last September, right? And sure enough, it conked out. Y'all, it didn't actually conk out, but the blade, the little thing in the inside where the blade fits down in it, it's worn down. So, like, and the same thing happened to the last blender. So we had to get another blender. The good thing is, this time around, Dennis got, he got, what is it called, protection plan. He got the protection plan on this blender. So if that happens again, we can just send it in. So yeah, y'all. All right, y'all, so I am going to light the candles that we just bought from Walmart, the pumpkin waffles. They smell really good, so hopefully it gives pumpkin pecan waffles when we light them. We'll see. Only thing is, y'all, I do not like the packaging. Oh, I don't like the packaging. Like the candles that I have right here right now is a vibe because it's black, and I just like it's vibing with my decor. So I don't like the packaging, but that's okay. That is all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these candles up really quickly, and then we will light the other candles. All right, y'all, so there goes the candles. It's giving Halloween, right? With the orange and then the black, because I'm gonna leave this one black candle right there, but I'm not going to light it. I don't like the packaging on the front, okay, with that big old great value, and I wish that wasn't there, but it is. So what I'm gonna do is just flip it around like this, so there's nothing showing in the front. And I know that's kind of like so petty, but hey, I like what I like. So y'all listen, Walmart knew that this label is not aesthetic at all. So you can actually peel it. Can y'all see that? Hold on. So look at that right there, y'all. You can actually peel it off. So let's just peel it off instead of turning it around. So let's do that. Ooh, and it peels off real easily, y'all.
She want the tea. I cannot speak.